Hi, in this video we're going to look at format options under the format menu. Keep in mind that a lot of these options exist out here on the main toolbar. So if I'm clicked on something appropriate like text, you'll see that all these options, bold, italics, underline, colors, vertical spacing, alignment, all of these things exist out here on the bar, and most of those are exactly the same in the format toolbar. So let's get started. Under Format, you can click Bold. As I said, you can do it here as well. You've got Italic, and you've got Underline. So the three here. Now, what's not there is a strike-through. So we don't see that in the main menu, but if you need a strike-through, you can get that from there. You can also get a superscript, so that now becomes x squared, and a subscript option there, so H2O. Okay, so a couple of additional options that are not out on the main toolbar because we don't use them quite as frequently. We also have font size. Now this only lets you increase or decrease the font size. I personally would rather use the toolbar and pick an exact size. That would work better for me. Text color is located here, and also here. Paragraph styles, that's just to increase or decrease indent. So that's these two buttons that are out on the toolbar. And the alignment, which we've seen previously here, has the same options. Left, center, right, justified. And then if it's in a box, we can put it to the top of the box, the middle of the box, or the bottom of the box. Line spacing works the same way. You can set it, right now it's single spaced. Generally, these things wind up defaulting to 1.15, but you can also, let me come back to the menu actually, to 1.5 double space, or with even more control, you can go to custom spacing here and actually put spacing before or after each paragraph. Now remember, paragraphs are determined by using the enter key. So every time you hit an enter key, you'll get a new paragraph, not every time the text wraps because you run out of space. Okay, in addition, we've got lists. Now lists are available here and here, so I can go to lists, numbered list, and pick a style. Because I'm not at multiple levels, these really won't apply. I'll just get 1, 2, but you can see that you can go from 1 to A, B, C, etc., and then to lowercase digits as well, and there are various different options if you'd like. So I'll go with something simple. And those same options appear here. We also have bulleted lists and standard bulleted lists that are available at the top. But you do also have some other features. So let's take a look here. One thing you can find here is, let's just say I make it a numbered list. It's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. But what I'd like to do instead is I'd like to continue numbering from the top. So that you would look under List Options, and here's Restart Numbering, and I'm going to restart that numbering at 4. Now this is not as sophisticated as a Microsoft Word, so I'm kind of manually telling it that this is a list of 3, and now I'm going to restart at 4 here. But it is an option that you can use if you need to adjust the numbering for your lists. Okay, there's also a clear formatting button, which is the same one we have here. There's a fill color button, and fill color is on the object, this text box itself. So if I go to fill color, what I'm really doing is I'm filling in that space or that block. I could come back and get various line tools to format that as well. Let me undo that a couple of times. Okay, I'll go to the next slide. You can see that I've put some shapes on here. I got my shapes from here. Okay, but the shapes are also available. Let's see. Let's get on my slide here. Shape options are also available down here, but you can't insert them directly. So what I'll have to do is I'll have to click on it first, and now I could change the shape if I wanted. So I really want to try this arrow instead. Not too much difference, but a little bit. And same thing with lines. So now I can change the weighting of my line on the outside, etc. Now, there are things called connectors. So I have these 3 boxes here, and I'd like to show some relationship between the box. So I'm going to click on the first one. I'm going to I can put in a simple line if I like. Actually, let me just put that in up here. I like to put in a simple line, and I'm going to grab the box and connect it to the other box. Now, the difference between doing this and just drawing a line is that line is now connected and will follow. And if I wanted, I could also come up here and say, let's say I wanted an arrow instead. Now, once that's done, I can go to one of several places. I can click on line, and I can make some adjustments up here, but I also have that change connector. So I can make it an elbow connector, which it's going to be a right angle kind of thing. Let me select that connector again. Put it back to straight, but you get the idea there. I can also click on this, and I could change its thickness and color, etc. here, except that's also available to me down here at this point. So I can say the line weight really needs to be 8. And this line weight needs to be 8 as well. It's a little big. And I can change the line color, the line style to dashed, etc., arrowhead size, things like that. Again, that might be much easier for you to do right through these toolbars, through these tools on the toolbar here, but they are available to you through the Format menu. And the last thing available to the Format menu, it's available here, Crop Image, but it's also available in here. And that's just going to allow me to edit my image directly here to eliminate some of the area of the image. Okay, and those are all the options that are available to you through the Format menu selection.